Worried someone's still logged into your Wise account on another device? Here's how to kick them out in seconds. We'll go through the simple steps. Click your profile, find security settings, and log out everywhere. So let's start by opening up your Wise account in your browser. The first thing you want to do is look in the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. It might be your initials or a little picture. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your account settings live, so it's a good spot to get familiar with. Once you click it, a drop-down menu appears with several options. Now, I've done this myself a bunch of times, and I can tell you it's surprisingly easy once you know where to look. All right, from that drop-down menu, you're going to select the option that says Security and Privacy. This is the hub for everything related to keeping your account safe. When you click on it, you'll land on a page that lists out all the devices that are currently logged into your Wise account. Take a second to scan that list if you want. It's actually a really useful feature because it shows you exactly where and when your account is being accessed. If you see a device you don't recognize, well, that's exactly why we're here. Now, here's where the magic happens. Scroll down that security page until you see the section labeled Log Out Everywhere. It's usually near the bottom, but it's clearly marked so you can't miss it. This button is your nuclear option, in the best way possible. When you click it, Wise will immediately invalidate all active sessions on every device except the one you're using right now. So if someone is logged in on an old phone or a shared computer, they'll get booted instantly. Just click that button. And then one more step to go. A confirmation box will pop up asking if you're really sure. This is Wise giving you one last chance to change your mind. Okay, and that's it. You're done. Now, I say this from experience, this whole process takes maybe 30 seconds from start to finish. But here's the thing. I always suggest doing this once a month or anytime you log in from a public or borrowed computer. It's just good practice. It takes almost no time and the peace of mind is absolutely worth it. So the next time you get that little worry in the back of your mind about who might be accessing your Wise account, you know exactly what to do. Just pop into your profile, hit Security and Privacy, and log out everywhere. It really is that simple.